In the third month, at sunrise, the boar and the leopard meet on the battlefield. The fatigued leopard looks up to heaven and sees an eagle playing around the sun. This is one of Nostradamus's most intriguing quatrains. The Battle of Waterloo occurred after Blücher, the Prussian boar, was defeated at Ligny. When Wellington decided to make his stand at Waterloo, British and Prussian armies were unable to participate. This occurred in June, around 3 months after Napoleon's return from Elba in February 1815, au mois troisième. This fight marked the end of Napoleon's reign, which may have also been mentioned. Nostradamus predicted the fight to take place in June, based on the March solstice date. This is a typical example of Nostradamus's convoluted approach, in which meanings appear to be encompassed within a single statement. The French troops hammered the English leopard all day,